How to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. So first of all you have to long press on your Instagram app. Then you have to click on this app info option. Then you will have an interface like this, and over here you will find an option called storage and cache. So now you have to click on it, and then you will find option called clear cache. So now you have to click on clear cache. After that you have to go back, and now you have to click on this force stop option, and then you have to force stop your Instagram app. Now you have to go back to the home screen of your phone, and now you have to open your App Store or Play Store, whichever device you use, and then you have to click on the search bar and search for Instagram. And now you have to update your Instagram to the latest version, and after that you have to go back to the home screen of your phone, and now you have to long press on the power button of this device which you're using Instagram, and now you have to click on restart and restart your device so that all the settings we did will apply. And then you have to open your Instagram, and that is how you can solve this problem. Now you can able to see all the music song in your Instagram. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like it, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.